Okay, Heath, thank you for another job.
Yes,
the jaws are ready, the tree is ready. What are we doing today here?
All right, Mitch. We have 2 big black olives in the backyard with a bunch of things to work around. The guy's got a patio screen, a bunch of plants, a bunch of ornamentals, and we want to avoid all that. These trees have been side trimmed. Backside, they've been side trimmed by FPL, and this front side, they've been trimmed by a tree climber that doesn't want to climb to the top. We want to do a height reduction so this thing is ready in the storm. So today, instead of having my guys try to climb that and rig down the upper height of that tree, I brought you in to make sure we can grab this, set it in the front yard, do it safely, and not have to move all of this gentleman's stuff he has decorating his backyard. So we're looking to take about 12 to 14 feet off the height and do it safely. Thank you, Mitch. Pieces we've taken out today. This piece here came off the back side. You can't really see it, but there are power lines that run along the entire, western property line. And this is one piece that extended up and over the power line. It was at the very top part of the tree. This piece here is a good 15 feet. Today we proved that this is not just a removal apparatus. Today Mitch came out with his grapple saw truck. He was able to reduce these 2 trees in the back. This one to our right is now finished. Here's the final cut, a massive piece that came off the very top, not the sides, the top where it's most difficult to access. Thank you, Mitch.